Hello everybody and welcome back to some Space Engineers. I'm joined here with an owl. With Jaws.
VR.
And today we are going to play some Space Engineers.
Whee!
Yay!
Hoot! Hoot!
We've got some progress done on the station since the last episode. We've been trying to figure out how we want to kind of combine these two buildings together and how they should look. Because they're kind of different, but we're kind of merging them together. So, we extended the existing design on the GOD, which I think ended about somewhere around where I'm standing, or floating.
Yeah, actually, where you are right now. I think that is where it ended.
I think so. So everything from here down towards the hangar is all new. It's not completely done.
All new.
In the middle there's no glass or anything like that. It's just because this took a lot of time to do, and I figured we could use this to fly in as well and work in this area before we enclose it all up. I also extended what me and Jaws had worked on for the ceiling in the Krill grill, and that's just those vents. Looks like I forgot to finish one. But just extended that a little bit further and replicated it on the other side. Not 100% done, but a little bit further. So we're getting there.
Yeah.
And go ahead, Josh.
Yes. So do we go into the Krill grill area?
I think so.
Proceed the episode.
I have to point out one thing that I'm very ashamed of. The
Oh,
owl.
yes. The owl. Back to the owl.
If you look at this owl and his placement could be better. He could be here. Or even here. Anywhere but where he is, really.
Yeah,
One to the left, one to the right. That would look so much better.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Yeah.
We'll pretend we don't see that.
You'll pretend. We might, maybe be able to fix it. Maybe.
Maybe, if we felt like, if we wanted to put the work into it.
Ouch.
A little cut
I
here,
just,
a little cut there.
Krelda!
Are you killing Krelda again?
Yep.
Oh.
Fly by touch. But a little bit too violent.
A little aggressive touching.
You wanna come out to scrap it and help me?
Sure.
I lost an elbow.
Aw. On my way.
And I need my elbows to weld. And we're gonna need Krelda to weld.
We are.
Otherwise, she'd be useless.
So we're at the point where we've run out of kind of stuff again. Or material, that is. Specifically iron. We had, like, a lot of iron. I think over, like, 1 million, maybe? 1.5? And it's gone.
We had tons.
All gone. All the steel plates we made with it, also gone.
Yeah, also gone. It's all here. Where you see it here. It's a bunch of steel here.
Yeah. I guess we got to do some more mining. Or if we could capture a cargo or 40, we'd be set.
That would be or over 40. Yeah. some cargoes would be really nice.
Okay, I'll leave Scrabbit here. I don't think we need her. Oop. Nice. The sensor
Let's
turned off
see.
I forgot to turn off the welders, and when I got out, they turned off.
Oh, it's good thing we had them.
Yeah.
I think I can.
It did burn me there, but only one tick.
Okay. Yeah, but I guess because you kind of teleported out.
Yeah, true.
Teleporting.
So we still have to put a
here.
sensor for
Oh,
this
so
door as
cool.
well, but we'll do that off camera.
Yeah.
Our blast doors are gone. Our pistons are gone. I wonder if they got... I wonder if I accidentally deleted those. I didn't think I did.
It looks like you did.
It looks like I did, though.
Because the piston heads are gone.
Yeah, I must have mistaken them for a cargo ship door, although I should have looked at the distance and known. Anyway, I'll rebuild those. Speaking of not having iron, and we just
Yeah, exactly.
got rid of 2 giant plates of steel.
Yeah.
All right.
Well done.
Yep. So
this is how it looks from inside now.
Yeah.
From the inside. Looks nice.
Just got to fill in the gaps pretty much and blend it all in together. And this room's pretty much done, almost.
Yeah, pretty much almost.
I guess we could put something over here in this hole that's oddly shaped for something, but we'll see.
Morbius, can you see this diagonal corner here? Do you see the... well, depending on what you're thinking of, you're probably seeing either Illuminati, the Legend of Zelda symbol, or the radioactive symbol. Over here.
Okay. How about Duke Nukem?
Yeah, it could be Duke Nukem.
Which is the
or the
radioactive
Umbrella
symbol,
Corporation.
Yeah. Paint a couple of them red. Hang on here. Okay. Whoops. Hitting all the wrong buttons. Can I paint these is the key.
Yeah, that's the... You should be able to paint some of them. You painted all of them.
I painted some of them. It's the dreaded shift click.
Perfect.
Try that again. Redeem myself. Okay, I can paint that one.
There we go.
Umbrella Corporation, I think. Is that right?
I think there's more triangles.
Yeah, probably. And more detailed, yeah, some other stuff that I don't know.
Stuff like that. Yeah.
If you have your show on HUD, do you have your sensors on? Jaws.
Do I have my sensors? No, I don't. Now I do.
All right, so I put in a safety similar to Scrabbit for our Krill grill. So if I go ahead and turn those on,
Perfect.
We have basically the same.
I tried to sacrifice myself. I couldn't.
Way.
Oh no, I survived.
But we want to make it a bit more complicated, I guess. This is pretty basic, and we still don't have a good way of running this thing except by hitting a sequence of buttons.
Yes, we don't want a sequence of buttons. We want one button.
We can do better.
What?
We have
the
new
one
technology.
button to rule them all.
Yes. One button. How can we do it with just one button?
Timer blocks.
Timer blocks. So we haven't used these yet. We tried in the last episode off camera, but it didn't work anyway for the bug that we think we encountered.
Yes.
But we could use it for here.
Yes.
So should we go over the order of operations, I guess, that we need? So
yeah, we can do that. So what do you say we just flip this guy open first?
Sure, I could do that if you like. Okay, so Krill grill, open, close, toggle block on. Is it locked? It might be locked.
No, it wasn't.
Okay.
Do we have the sequence? Nope. Nope. Nothing in the cockpits.
Oh, they didn't save or keep.
Yeah.
I think they got reset once. Okay. So there we go. This is the default state that it's normally in when it's not working, I guess. So the first thing we need to do, and we typically have the rotors powered off because sometimes they fight and just this thing shakes around.
Mm-hmm.
So the first thing we need to do is turn on that rotor and then reverse it pretty much instantly.
Yes.
So the nice thing about timer blocks is you can put in basically a hotbar's worth of groups to do different functions. So unlike just creating a group in the menu where you can only control that one group, like either turn them all on or turn them all off, but you can't like turn one on and rotate something else and do this to something else. But with a timer block you can, and then you can map that all to one button, and you can also chain timer blocks together. So at the end of one timer block you make it trigger a second timer block, and there we could actually use the delay because we will need a delay. So we've covered, it turns on, it shuts, and then while it's rotating we need a delay, so however long it takes to shut.
Yeah.
So that's timer 1 done, and now we're into timer 2.
Mm-hmm.
So what do we do for timer 2?
So for timer 2, that should be delayed for a couple of seconds so that it activates when the Krill grill top has just closed. So exactly when it closes, the second timer goes, and it locks and turn on, I guess. So it turns on and locks the connector here, so it can grab parts, turns off the 2 rotors, so it stops fighting and trying to do stuff, and then it turns on the welders.
Excellent. So that's
Yes.
our closing. Yeah, that sounds good. And with the welders, we can throw on our little sensor. Because we figured
Yes,
out...
exactly.
Right now, it's just like a manual shut-off, but we want it to be kind of resettable. We figure if the sensor's not on all the time, if it only comes on when the machine is running, we can set it up so when we're in the field, it turns off the welders, and when we're out of the field, it turns them back on. If we set it up like that right now, if we just flew through here and then flew out, the welders would turn on. So we don't want that, but we can get it to work with the timers.
We can.
So then we're going to need more timers to do the opposite, because the delays are different in a different spot where we need it.
Indeed.
So the closing's just going to be the reverse of what we just said. And I think
yeah, exactly.
I think for this we'll probably just go ahead and do it off camera, because it's going to be a lot of just fiddling in menus and stuff like that, and it'll take a little bit of time. So we kind of went over what we're going to do. Now we'll actually do it, and we'll bring you back and see if it works.
Yay!
All right.
There we go.
Beautiful. And we're done.
Fractions. What do we do? We have Krill Grill, open, close. We want to turn them on.
Yeah.
And reverse.
And then...
Yes, the reverse the rotation.
And then timer 2, I guess?
Yeah, that's all we want to do, right?
I think so. Do we see timers?
Yeah, we should see them at somewhere, but my inventory is not agreeing with me. Is it? No?
I don't see
think we
them.
are.
Darn. Call it exact same thing that it's called. Okay, so there it should be.
Ah, there. Timer block will open to key group. And true start, not trigger.
Okay, so now go to open and we delay it by, should we try the 10 seconds? That should be more than enough, but we could...
That should be way more than enough, but it's better for testing purposes. It's better to have
Yeah.
more than less.
Yeah,
I guess.
okay.
And welcome back. We have the pink lighting on the interior walls, which is thumbs up. And we have prepared the button over there. You can see the button on the thing over there, whatever it's called, the button panel. That button will start a cycle where it will close and turn on, and then after 5 seconds it will open and turn off.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah, hopefully is the key word.
We haven't tested this, but we have 4 timers going. Let's see if it worked.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Boop.
It does what it's supposed to do.
Turned
For
on.
now.
It's rotating. Let's watch the connector.
I forgot to count.
Oh yeah. So there's going to be a delay. Oh, that's pretty good.
It's actually pretty close.
And now if we go into it, it should turn off. And it should turn back on if I leave.
It didn't.
Didn't. We'll check that. Okay. Add that to the bug list.
I don't think it disconnected the connector.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. So that
Yeah,
didn't
the
work.
sensor is off. The disconnect. Okay, so we tried to do a workaround. Instead of using the switch lock for the connector, we tried to just tell it to turn off, hoping that it would also disconnect in the process, but it
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it did. That's odd. That's too bad.
Is it turned off, though?
Let me see if I can get access to it.
Grill connector. It is off.
It is off, but it stays locked. So that's interesting. So if it's powered, and if it's locked before you shut it off, it will stay locked. I guess that's probably
Okay,
good
so
for
let's-
certain uses. But not for our workaround, so we might need to...
Yeah.
We're going to try something else. We weren't sure if this would work, unless you're doing it right now. Are you adding them both to the same?
I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
But we need to open the thing as well?
Okay, I'll manually reset
can-
it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
I'll go
Krill Grill.
to
So you
timer.
have... I should be able to reverse it now.
Also, we
Oh.
had so many groups that we had to make, or so many things on our station that we needed to make it groups to be able to find the parts. So is that the Open one.
Pretty much. The rotors are still on, but that shouldn't
Oh, wait.
matter because it's just going to try to turn them on again, I think.
That action close.
So where's
close
the
one?
Krill
Which
grill
is-
safety?
Connector switch lock, and then we add connector toggle block off. Okay, so that's now maybe it works. Want to try it again?
Yeah, let's give it another go.
3, 2, 1. Press button.
I like how it like torques when it first gets going.
Yeah.
It's like, ugh! Okay,
1, 2.
locks.
So we could
turns
make it
on.
2 seconds faster if we want to. Make it more seamless. Oh, and there we go. It worked.
Okay, so if you put both the, I guess, unlock and power off in the same timer, it will actually do it. Is that what you did?
Yes. I
Cool.
put the unlock first, or switch lock. I put that first, and then in the end of the group, I added the turn off.
Okay.
And I think it does it sequentially, even though it does it really, really fast. I think there's like 1 game tick between each action.
Right. So that could be good. So that's, yeah, that's good that that worked. Okay. So otherwise we might have had to add another timer to just allow for that.
Yeah.
But so that's good. So
So
the thing
I'm
that
gonna
wasn't
try-
working was the safety.
No, I think the safety was working, but it turned off so fast.
Oh, okay. That could be
That
it.
So let's try adding a few seconds to when it's down.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Instead, it's down for 10 seconds now. I brought down the timing from 10 seconds to 8 seconds, so it should lock faster. Hopefully, it
Okay.
doesn't lock too early. What do you say we try it again after my game unfreezes any second? Now,
So-
no, wait, it froze again. There we go.
So how long, right now it's going to be open or closed for 10 seconds, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, before it was 5? Was it?
Before it was 5, yes.
Oh, okay. I am ready, sir.
3, 2, 1, go. There we go. And we can go in, we can back out, and it turns on again.
Ah, beauty.
That's
I
perfect.
like it. So what we're going to do, we talked
and
about
there
it.
it opens.
So right now it just closes and then opens right back up. Now we did that because we don't want to have 2 buttons. We wanted 1 button. Just one.
Yes. Just one button to rule them all.
So Jaws mentioned that these timers go up to like an hour delay. So what we're going to do is figure out how long it takes to cook a krill. And maybe we'll try some alternative designs with some new technologies. And we shall
It's going
see.
It's going to be like a microwave. You
Yeah.
just turn it up. It takes 20 minutes to make a krill. Like.
Keen, we need like note blocks of some kind.
Yeah.
Bing!
Ticka.
Your krill is ready. Please disembark.
Oh, that would be so amazing.
So yeah, we'll have it set up. So once we just build our krill, we can hit the button and walk away, and it'll just cook them and turn itself off when it's done. Hopefully, assuming there's
that
no
would be
like
so awesome.
there's no welder glitchiness where it doesn't actually weld stuff, which seems to
that's
happen
true.
occasionally. But hopefully that's not an issue. So I think that's what we'll do now. You guys had some ideas of maybe making a remote control krill. So
The drone
remove-
krill.
Yeah. Remove us from the equation, so we could
The
sit up
droll?
here and just fly them out. The drill,
The droll.
the drawl, droll. But yeah, we'll go ahead and build a couple off camera, and we'll see what we can do with the cameras and all that stuff.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
I will push the button on the modified drone.
Push it. Push it.
The
All right, so
drones.
we have our two little guys here. They're pretty much the same, just different little layouts of the parts.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
So now we should have it set to an hour. Is that right?
No. We still have it set.
No,
to
we
10
haven't.
seconds.
We haven't changed it. Oops.
No, 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 no.
What happened? What's wrong?
Everything is destroyed on my screen. What's going on?
Is it? It looks okay here. What's destroyed?
Okay, it's wrong on. It's just wrong on my screen. The connector didn't unlock.
Oh. So it
So-
exploded? I wonder what's true.
No, nothing's actually exploded.
Okay.
My Krill guy just bounced around like everywhere inside this room, and the Krill grill is still bouncing around. It's kind of in its place still. Let's see if you can, or let's see if I can get myself to ricochet off this guy. And if you can see that, so if I just fly into this guy, I should die. Yep, I died.
So you have to go to Jars' channel to see what's going on. I don't know.
That was...
Yeah, it's not killing
madness.
me, so even though it's shaking on your end, it's not doing that effect to me, even though I'm not seeing it. Yeah, everything's like perfect for me.
Yeah,
So maybe having those two things in the same group? Do you think that's what did it?
I think that's what's caused it. Yeah, I think it's the order of actions got messed up on the way to me, like from the server to me. The communication there it messed up, and that's why my game didn't realize what was happening really, and it tried to come up with a solution. And my game solution was destroy everything,
Kill all
like
things.
usual.
All right.
Yeah,
so
I think
let's,
if I reconnect, stuff will be fine on my screen.
Okay, so we'll be right back, guys. We're back. Jars is back, and things are looking better.
Much more stable.
Excellent.
Much more stable.
So we'll try again here, and we've upped this
Yeah.
thing. It'll stay down for 5 minutes now, which will be more than enough to do these guys. We decided just to retrofit a couple of our existing krills, as, yeah, if it does work, this is probably the way we're going to want to do it anyway, so we might end up converting them all or something, who knows. Oh, and it's done. Oh, no, you turned it off. Okay. You confused
It's
me.
not turning... There we go, now it's turning off. Didn't turn off on my screen. I'm just
okay.
trying the feature. This is real nice.
I like this.
This is really nice.
Boop.
Yeah.
No more accidental deaths. Crowd is
So
still
if we
deadly.
need to go put parts back in, we can just walk in, put back parts, or take out parts, and when we leave, it turns on again, like nothing ever happened.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, do these things have antennas? I think so.
This guy has a beacon.
Did they own...
No, he doesn't have an antenna.
I kind of forgot about that part.
Yep. Both of them have
Beacons.
beacons.
Okay, so we'll have to add some antennas before we can actually control these guys.
Yeah.
Sure, taking a while. Oops. I guess you can tell what I replaced because it's all red.
Yeah.
Oops. Too close. I wonder if it's the remote control block. Is there any components we don't have?
Mine is done.
Oh, yours done. Awesome.
You have one welder that's still doing stuff. Try to turn him on and off and see if he... Oh, there we go. This is really nice.
Yeah. Game's really coming along.
Yeah,
I finally got the
it
ability
really
to
is.
really automate stuff.
Nice additions, Keen. Nice additions.
Yes. Okay, well, he's
In my
taking
opinion,
a while.
way better than programming.
Yeah, like the programming, we'll have to see how it's like. Not
Yeah, we'll
keen
have to
on
see.
typing. Having to sit down and
But
type up a bunch of code isn't as much fun as what we just did for this thing, I don't think. Although, I imagine you could do a lot more complex things with programming, but hopefully they'll give us access to that, or a way of doing it that doesn't require us to sit down and type. Maybe even a mod can come about to make some GUI for it or something. Who knows? Or
You
keen
never know.
themselves. All right, let's taking something's up. So we'll turn this off. So if I go in here, We're going to make another button to manually shut this off, but we think we need another timer to do that. So for now, I can just activate open or close one. We also notice we named these completely backwards.
Yes.
That's okay. So you can see this. It says time to trigger. It's counting down. So there's still 2 minutes and 20 seconds before it will trigger. But I can just go ahead and trigger now.
And do the stop.
Did that work? Oh, I had to stop as well?
It worked. Yeah, the timer was still running.
Oh, okay.
They would have done it again.
I see. Thank you. All right.
So wonder what parts on
Not sure.
your that's not finished.
I'm going to put an antenna here at the back, right next to the beacon, maybe. On its butt.
You could just pull out the beacon, I guess.
Good. I guess for... it'd be nice to have like an automatic beacon that goes on. So if we like lost the krill or something, its beacon would just turn on at full range or something so you could go find it again.
I'm gonna pull out the beacon because I don't like the glare.
Oh, right, it was doing that weird thing before. That's true. That lighting effect.
Yep.
I wonder if it's still doing it.
I don't know.
Don't know, and I don't want to find out. Oh, I need a small tube.
Don't know, don't care. Oh yeah, and it has since the antenna has a max range of 5 kilometers. We can only go like that far, so from our station.
Only 500?
5,000 meters.
Oh, okay, 5,000. Okay, that'd be tricky. So we can't go too far.
Yeah, but now it should be able to. So I guess I'll go in here. Antenna. Yeah, this antenna should be to me. So I should be seeing krill number 10.
Not sure. You go in 10, I'll go in 9.
Remote control. Wow, I've never done this before, and it's awesome.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working. And I'm not using the camera, so it's like,
oh yeah,
wow, this
it's
is so
floating
cool.
right in front of me. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Okay,
Hi.
so now we can go into one of our cameras. We put 2 cameras on for redundancy. Oh, look at that.
Yes.
Get out of my way, Reloadable. Move.
And you.
Oh, this is awesome. Hi, Jaws.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, now we don't get third-person camera.
Yeah, that's a limitation.
Cool.
That's cool. I think that's a good handicap for being
Yeah.
remote. All right. So we'll have to set up some control groups and some other stuff. I think this guy needs some more fuel. No, he's okay. My person is about to die. So let's get out of there and go sit down. There we go.
That's real cool.
Yeah, that's neat. I like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's real neat.
Remote control. So we'll do that, and maybe we'll see if there's a cargo ship within range, and we could try them out real quick. We're not sure what cargo ships are like in multiplayer, though. So it'll probably just end terribly, but it'll be fun.
Most likely. We'll probably just blow up ourselves.
Yeah,
With the rocket launchers.
most likely.
You have any ammo? No, I don't have any NATO ammo. Hello.
Hello.
To battle stations.
To battle. We have a business shipment. We threw PJ's Krill out there to act as a relay. Let's go. Krill Grill 9. I'm nervous. Remote control.
Me too.
Control.
Remotes,
Camera.
control, camera.
Okay,
I'll fly out first.
go for it. I will follow suit. So he's actually in range now anyway. He's within
Yeah, exactly.
he's within
But I mean,
5,000.
We have a little bit of play now.
Yeah.
There you are. See you. The camera effect is okay, I guess.
Yeah, it's a little obstructive and probably not
Oh,
realistic. I mean, it gives the nice
not
effect,
remote
though.
controlling anymore.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Nope. I'm not.
I see
Why
you.
am I not remote? Yeah.
I don't know. I wonder if I can, Did you turn off your antenna by accident?
I shouldn't. I can see it.
Or did he run out
That's
of
my guy.
power? Or is he overloaded, maybe? Did you find him?
Yep. I found it. I should be able to. Where? Am I drifting?
I think so. I saw you fly by. I don't know where you are anymore. If I could remote into PJ Krill instead. Man, we just need to have remote control on everything.
Okay, so which one is you? That's the question.
In terms visually or name?
You're 9, TDD Krill 009. Okay, so
Yeah.
my guy's just drifting away.
Darn.
Oh, he's lost.
I'm not sure which direction. I thought I saw him, but I don't think I could find him if I flew in that direction.
Okay, yeah, I can still see him. It doesn't show up on my guy. He's blue now for some reason, so he isn't...
Oh, I forgot to actually give
blue?
myself guns.
Is it blue because I own him? Probably. I'm gonna catch up to him someday.
Okay. All right, while Jars is doing his rescue mission, I'll go ahead and I guess try the business shipment anyhow. By myself, I unfortunately don't have another spare drone. But I anticipate I'll die really quickly. I am noticing the power usage is going to the overload. So I don't know if that... But I'm not losing control, so it doesn't... I'm not sure why you did.
Yeah, neither am I.
Oh, another thing. We don't have... There's no cursor, for one.
Actually, there's no point in me chasing him. I'm too far out.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I'm not gonna be able to control him and do anything with him when I catch him. I guess I could, but...
this guy's not too... This is the heavily not guarded one. I think one side is actually safe. I guess the problem with the drone now... You can't do anything once you get here. You do
that's true.
You have to, yeah, fly out again.
My HUD is so clustered. Or cluttered.
The Krill's faring pretty good. I'm just taking the bullets to the face.
So is it the one with the big solar panels?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can ninja him.
Nice.
Without a ship.
Oh, okay. He's got some blind spots.
He has... he has fairly decent blind spots.
It seemed like it.
And he also only has interior turrets.
Oh, so they're pretty weak. That's probably why I was taking him to the face. Did you want to fly over here and grab him?
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Okay. I'll just float with him. Oh, that sucks that we lost that. I wonder what happened. If you know, tell us. Or maybe Jars can see in his editing if he did anything or if it just happened.
I think I might have... it was while I was doing a turn, so I think if the thrusters went on the inertial dampening, it could have overloaded like that 1 second. Yeah. No, but I couldn't reach him after that either, so...
Yeah, you should have recovered, I think.
All the... Yeah, you did.
I think so. Like, my guy's saying overloaded right now, and I think that's because the beacon, or maybe our antenna is too much.
This guy isn't glitching at all.
He does look very smooth.
I can't grind him, though.
No. He's moving at roughly...
Roughly 20, 15, 17, something?
Yeah.
15, yeah, I'd say 15. Let's see what I can do here. Can I do anything?
I could shoot a hole through, if you want. I could shoot out the back hatch.
No, you shoot out the side here.
Okay. Where are you?
I'm here. So shoot out this guy. Not me, but the block in front of me.
Why can't I see you?
I'm on the side you just were on.
Are you behind me or in front of me?
The side that doesn't have any conveyors?
Okay. I'm not sure if I'm blind, but I'll just...
You should see me right in front of you. If you take out the corner piece.
Okay, I don't see you, but...
Okay, I just teleported back to base.
Okay, interesting.
Yep, very interesting. And I'm sitting next to the cockpits.
I think we experienced some lag or some server connectivity issues.
Yep, yep, I can't do anything. I can't even suicide. I am... What? What's going on? I can't even suicide.
Josh, you can't do anything right. You can't even kill yourself.
So which cockpit is the one I'm in?
Okay, well, I have exposed a opening
Pilots.
in which we could go in and get it, I guess. So I'm going to... I don't know if my ship being here keeps the ship here or not. If there's a risk of me going back and it disappearing.
Yeah, I can...
Do you think you need to reconnect?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll pause, and if we can manage to get this guy back, we will, and we'll bring you back for a goodbye, I guess. Goodbye? Goodbye.
Yeah. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
So, my krill's gone. I think. Am I still on him? No. The military mine layer destroyed him. He's gone. Wow. Or I think I destroyed him, actually. I fired a rocket. That was a mistake. Alright. My guy's gone too. Success.